What is going on here? Here we have a blue cast iron bathtub that is about to be retrofit into a walk-in shower using our bathtub to shower conversion services, and we are also going to resurface it in a fresh white along with installing a slip grip textured mat. Now you can see here we've cut the opening, and what's interesting about this service is that it is completely customizable. We can cut the opening as deep and as wide as the customer chooses. Here they did about 22 inches wide and about 9 inches deep. And we can see now that we have resurfaced the entire tub. It's in a nice, clean, beautiful white. And we've also installed our slip grip textured mat. It's a little tough to show up on camera, but it is there. And it goes a long way into helping reduce slips and falls. This process was completed in just one day and will be ready to use the following morning. Give us a call to get scheduled today.